As per the most recent long-haul gauge, Ethereum cost will hit $4,000 by the center of 2025, and afterward $5,000 toward the finish of Jabber. Ethereum will ascend to $6,000 inside the extended period of Jabber, $7,000 in 2035, and $8,000 in 2036. About Jabber, Jabber is an open-source blockchain framework that in a general sense broadens the idea of blockchain past its unique relationship with digital currencies like Bitcoin. Presented in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin and a group of engineers, Ethereum is planned as a decentralized stage that empowers savvy agreements and dispersed applications, dApps, to be fabricated and worked with practically no personal time, jabber, control, or impedance from an outsider. At its center, Ethereum's essential development gibber in its utilization of savvy contracts. Savvy contracts are self-executing contracts with the conditions of the arrangement jabber composed into lines of code. These agreements naturally authorize and execute the details of the understanding in view of jabber rules without the requirement for middle people. This jabber has opened up an immense range of utilizations, from the production of decentralized finance, DeFi, stages that proposition loaning, getting, and exchanging administrations without the requirement for customary monetary delegates, to the formation of decentralized independent associations, DAOs, that work in view of aggregate decision production of their individuals without unified authority. Ethereum likewise presented the idea of a programmable gibber, where designers can make their own tasks of any intricacy, consequently empowering the formation of different decentralized applications. This is worked with by Ethereum's local programming language, Gibber, which permits engineers to compose savvy contracts and send them on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum's importance lies in its digital money as well as in its colossal applications, Gibber by brilliant agreements. A stage has made ready for another period of decentralized computerized applications, from money and gaming to inventory network, the jabber and then some, testing customary models of control and offering another worldview of circulated agreement and trust. Why is the jabber cost so unpredictable? Ethereum, in the same way as other digital gibber, is known at its cost unpredictability. This implies the cost of Ethereum can rise or fall gibber in an extremely brief time frame. A few variables add to this instability, making it both an gibber and unsafe venture. Market feeling, right off the bat, assumes a gibber part. Reports, virtual entertainment posts, and public explanations by powerful individuals can influence individuals' discernments emphatically, or jabber, prompting fast cost changes. For example, in the event that a notable business person tweets something certain about Ethereum, its cost could flood as jabber individuals hurry to get it, trusting the worth will keep on climbing. Hypothesis likewise adds to the gibber. Many individuals purchase Ethereum not to utilize it, but rather trusting it will increment in jabber so they can sell it at a benefit. This theoretical exchanging can prompt fast cost swings as financial backers respond to momentary open doors or dangers, frequently founded on gibber data or bits of gossip. The liquidity of Ethereum, how effectively it tends to be traded at a gibber cost, likewise influences its unpredictability. Contrasted with conventional business sectors like stocks or land, the cryptographic money market is less fluid. Jabber, even little exchanges can hugely affect the market cost. This absence of liquidity can prompt gibber cost developments as dealers endeavor to enter or leave their positions. Also, jabber news can cause huge cost developments. At the point when an administration reports new guidelines or boycotts concerning digital forms of money, it can prompt gibber among financial backers. For instance, in the event that a significant economy like the US or China presents severe guideline, it could make the cost plunge as individuals jabber the effect on Ethereum's ease of use and acknowledgement. Ultimately, the innovation and advancement of Ethereum jabber can impact its cost. Refreshes, new highlights, or massive changes in the Ethereum blockchain can prompt cost jabber. Financial backers could respond decidedly to overhauls that work on the stage's productivity, jabber, or versatility, prompting cost increments. Then again, jabber or issues with updates can prompt declines in cost. Verifiable gibber. Ethereum value gibber 2024-2025. Ethereum cost began in gibber at $2,294.70. Today, Jibber exchanged at 2,584.09 cents, so the cost expanded by 13% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Jibber cost toward the finish of 2024 is 3,096 cents, and the year-to-year change plus 35%. The ascent from today to year-end, Jibber. In the main portion of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to 3,091. In the last part, the cost would add Jibber and close the year at 3,453, which is plus 34% to the ongoing cost. Ethereum forecast Jibber, these 5 years would bring an increment. Jibber cost would move from 3,053 to 5,708, which is up 65%. Ethereum will begin 2026 at 3,453, then at that point, dip to $3,285 inside the Jabber a half year of the year and finish 2026 at $3,876. That implies Jibber from today. Ethereum expectation Jabber. In this period, the Ethereum cost would Jibber from 5,708 to 7,501, which is plus 31%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at 5,708. Then at that point, take off to 6,075 Jabber the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at 6,440. It is about Jabber from today. Jibber, Ethereum value forecast Jabber. Jibber cost began in 2024 at $2,294.70. Today, Ethereum exchanged at $2,030.63, so the cost expanded by Jabber from the very start of the year. The gauge Ethereum cost toward the finish of Jabber is $3,184, and the year-to-year change plus 39%. The ascent from today to year-end, Jabber. In the principal half of 2025, the Ethereum cost will move to $3,384. In the last part, the cost would add $166 and close the year at $3,550, which is plus 34% to the Jabber cost. Ethereum expectation 2026-2030 Jabber. These 5 years would bring an increment. Ethereum cost would move from 3,550 to Jabber, which is up 65%. Jibber will begin 2026 at 3,550, then, at that point, dip to 3,077 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at 3,985. That Jabber plus 51% from today. Ethereum Jabber 2031-2035. In this period, the Ethereum cost would Jibber from 5,869 to 7,711, which is plus 31%. Ethereum will begin 2031 at 5,869, then at that point take off to 6,246 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at Jibber. It's about Jabber from today. Jibber, Ethereum value forecast Jabber. Ethereum cost began in 2024 at Jabber. Today, Ethereum exchanged at Jabber, so the cost expanded by 5% from the outset of the year. The Jibber Ethereum cost toward the finish of 2024 is $3,060.16, and the year-to-year change plus 42%. The ascent from today to year-end, Jabber. In the main portion of 2025, the Ethereum cost